Year's Eve na. So, ang gagawin ko, mag-prepare ako ng handa natin para pagsasaluhan namin ni Feb&Jake and also ni Dean. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ng shrimp. So, lalagyan ko ito ng butter at saka garlic. So, guys, samahan niyo ako. I-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ako magluto ng garlic buttered shrimp. Whatever, kung ano man yung kanilang tawag dyan. Basta yun, paborito kasi namin yun. Excuse lang sa aking kilay, wala po today, pero ayun, wala kasing pasok. Holiday guys! So ito, share ko na. Samahan niyo ako. Tara! So, ayun guys, nandito na yung ating 1/2 kilo of shrimp. So, hindi siya yung sugpong pinakamalalaki. Ano lang siya, parang medium size na shrimp. Malinis na siya, tinanggalan na natin ang mga buhok-buhok, tsaka yung matulis dyan, tinanggal na natin. So, ready na po siya for cooking. Okay? So, next ingredients na tayo guys. Tara! So, ayun, first, ang ginagawa ko guys, habang ito ay malinis na, tinitimplahan ko na siya ng konting pepper, ground pepper. Okay, ganyan lang. Konting pinch lang ng isang ground pepper. And I'll put pinch of salt. Salt yan guys. Salt, okay. And then, seasoning. Seasoning tayo. Ganyan. Ajinomoto seasoning. Lalagay ko. Tapos, gagano lang natin yun guys. Haluin para templado na siya. Okay? So, do not put too much kasi ang butter po natin ay maalat din. So, ayan. Hinihimas-himas ko lang ng ganyan. Extra careful lang kasi yung ating shrimp ay matulis po ito. So, ganyan-ganyan lang po. Okay? Alright. So, here's our main ingredients. Shrimp. 1/2 kilo. And of course, we do have seasoning. Iodized salt, ground pepper, and this is 1 clove of garlic, and our butter. So this butter is, I preferably use dairy queen. This is 100 grams. So I have sliced it into 2. So I'm only gonna be using 50 grams of butter. Okay, let's cook it guys. And so here's our pan. And let's just put in the heat, medium heat. And let's put our butter. Let's just wait for it to melt. Of course, I like with too much butter para malasa po siya. Ayan. Tayin lang natin siya melt. Let's wait for it to melt. Alright, so yan. Masarap to kasi maraming butter. So after that, we'll put the garlic. Here's our garlic, guys. Put in the garlic. So I'll just put in the heat into let's wait for it to be brownish.
humot lagi, humot.
Of course, that's garlic. It has a garlic aroma and it's delicious.
Dili humot og ahos, humot og mani.
Because it's your favorite. So it's ready for the next step, which is putting in our shrimp. Okay? Dahil brownish na siya, I'll put in our shrimp. Yay! Sarap! Haluin lang natin siya, guys. Like that. So just keep your stove in medium heat para it will be cooked slowly. And then you'll just needing to mix this one para pantay yung pagkakaluto. Alright? It really smells good. Smells very good.
Ilan may kilo ng shrimp karon?
So anyway, since it's New Year's, yep, that's the right question, Daddy. So our shrimp, we bought this one for 350 because today is New Year's Day and it's a bit expensive than normal. So before, yeah, that's fine, but we will be eating a tasty food, so that's fine, Daddy. Anyway, it's New Year, so that's fine. So
pag ning kuyo kon sugoder mo takla.
so ayan, let's just wait for it to cook. Now we can put in, to add taste, we will be putting in again a pinch of our pepper. Okay, and then we'll add in salt again, also the seasoning. Okay, and let's mix it again. Halo, halo, halo. So if you would like it to be more a bit salty, others would prefer to add some kind of like cola royal, as they say, but this one is actually just a plain butter and garlic shrimp, so I won't be adding any other ingredients, just simply as that. So me, I prefer salty food, so I'd be adding salt and seasoning. Okay. Smells so tasty. Alright, so it's almost cooked, guys. You will see that the butter and the shrimp sauce itself is like mixing each other, and you will know, of course, it's a bit cooked na because nag-change na yung color yung shrimp natin. So it's a bit dark orange already. So let's just flip them para pantay yung luto. So others would prefer medyo saucy or sabaw-sabaw, but I like it dry, more dry. Gusto ko yung tuyong-tuyo yung pagkakaluto kasi medyo ano siya, the juice or the sauce would actually penetrate inside the shrimp and mas malasa siya. Shrimp would be more tastier. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of minutes and let's let the sauce dry. Okay.
Gutom na ko, may ihab-hab na.
Just wait, Daddy. Because it be more tastier. Mas masarap siya pag pinatuyo. Okay. So let's just wait. Just a couple of minutes more.
Humot ay. Kahumot. Humot pa sa akong asawa, guys.
Alright, so it's almost dried out. Okay, so yan. So pag ganyan na po siya, guys, look at that. So the butter is now brownish. Alright, so it's almost drying up on the pan. And nasa shrimp na po yung kaniyang mga juice. Oh my god, it's so it looks so tasty. Okay, tingin ko pa lang masarap na siya. Okay, so yan. Masarap to. Yung iba sinasabaw sa kanin yung kanyang sauce na ganyan, oh. Nasabaw sa kanin yan. Okay, so do you see that, guys? Oh, ooh. The garlic is there. You see the garlic? Wow, that's so fantastic. That looks really good. See? See, guys?
Ang lawas sa imong ulo.
Oh no. Ayun. So let's if you would see it, guys, yan, oh. So brown na siya and it's ready na. So
Okay.
it's well cooked na, guys. So let's just luto na. So okay. Woo! Do you see that? Do you see the smoke? You see the smoke? Look, guys. Oh my god, that's so tasty.
Smoke pa lang, ulam na.
Woo!
Mayro.
See? Daddy.
Ito.
So let's put it in here. Wow. That's so yummy. Yummy. Ooh, that garlic. So yummy. So, ayun, guys. Luto na ang ating buttered shrimp. So, may pagsasaluhan na tayo on top of the fruits, cake, and liempo. Guys, ang sarap nito. Wow. Wow. Amoy na amoy ko yung garlic. Oh, ang sarap. So, pag ginanyan mo siya, guys, napaka umuusok. Sarap. Napaka-yummy, guys. Kahit yung ulo. Favorite ko talaga yung ulo. Sarap. Thank you, guys, for watching. And hope gustuhan nyo po yung aking ginawang food, which is butter garlic shrimp. See you guys on our next vlog. Feb here. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy New Year!